Welcome to Coreform Cubit tutorials. Today we will learn how to use the command line to generate, change, and mesh a volume. Coreform Cubit's command line provides expert-level control for the most challenging geometries and demanding analysis, and is the most efficient approach for more frequent users. Let's start by creating some simple shapes. Let's type in brick x 10. That gives us a shape type and size. Now let's make a cylinder as well. Cylinder with a height of 10 and radius 3. Now you can see we have two shapes overlapping each other. They are still separate volumes, but could combine them or subtract them to make a new volume. In today's example, let's subtract them. Subtract volume 2 from volume 1. Now you can see we have a cube with a hole in it, much like the volume we've used in previous tutorials. The best way to learn the command line is from practice. Go ahead and try to create a few different shapes and unite or subtract them to make unique volumes. It may take a few attempts to get the correct shape name and correct syntax, but you can reference the syntax example in the video description. Once you have the shape you want, we can mesh it, as long as it is simple enough to not require additional pre-mesh decomposition. Let's type in mesh volume 1. Congrats, you just created and meshed your first volume using the command line. We can also check the quality of your mesh by typing in quality volume 1 scaled Jacobian global draw mesh. Now you can see the quality of the mesh you generated. This highlights the areas that could benefit from altering the geometry to increase the mesh quality. And there you have it, you've successfully meshed a simple volume you created using the Coreform Cubit's command line. Once you're familiar with using the command line, we recommend you use our videos, tutorials, and webinars at coreform.com to learn about journal files and Python scripting.